Welcome back to your sixth OpenGL tutorial. So in the last tutorial we wrote this bunch of code. So now in this tutorial we're gonna explain it very well. So after including the header file, the GLFW3.h, we initialize it with this function GLFW init. So it's a void function which initialize GLFW, like make it available, or let me say just initialize. Then these three functions here, these three statements create the window setups. So here is a window hint function that set up some options for us. So this is a function, an option. So this function sets the GLFW context version major to 3, and it sets the GLFW context version minor to 3. So what is this all about? So what is all this all about? These 2 lines of code set the GLFW version to 3.3. so any hardware that doesn't have that have the GLFW version, let me say 2, this will not work, this program will not work. So only this program can only work in any computer that has, or any hardware that has the OpenGL, the 3.3 version or above, but not less. So in this place we are telling the compiler that we are telling GLFW that we want to use its core profile. So that's why we say OpenGL GLFW want to use OpenGL core profile. We tell GLFW want to use OpenGL core profile. So this is it, GLFW OpenGL core profile. Then we set the core profile, we set the profile of OpenGL to core profile by GLFW. So everything that starts from GLFW is GLFW functions. So first thing, we initialize it here so that it can be current or working or something. So we now set the version to 3.3. so any hardware that has less version than 3.3, this will not work in it, but any hardware that has above 3.3, it will work, and that has 3.3, it will work. So we set the profile to core profile. We set the OpenGL profile to core profile. So we'll be using the core profile of OpenGL to learn OpenGL. So don't forget to subscribe. So at this side, I'm gonna delete it. It's not. So this is the return 0. Everybody knows what return 0 means. So this is just a pretty much settings that we need to set. We set the version of our GLFW, initialize it first, the version, then we tell GLFW that we want to use the core profile of OpenGL. So in the next tutorial we're gonna start to do the main thing by creating the window and other stuff. So see me in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe subscribe.